Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this oversized flower brooch. I have cut out 84 satin pieces, 15 centimeters diameter, and I have burnt edges all around all of the circles, as you can see here. And as you can see, they are a little bit burnt on the edges. I wanted to make shabby chic effect. Now I'll show you how I burn edge on this circle satin piece. I'm holding this edge really close to the candle and I'm burning edge all around. So it looks like that. So this is the left side and this is the right side. Now I will be using this flower pot, which is 14 centimeters diameter, and I'll glue these satin circles on top. I'm using hot glue gun to glue them together. I'm placing this satin circle so the shiny side is facing down like that. Applying hot glue there. So I'm applying hot glue on a half of the diameter of this satin circle and gluing other satin circle on top. And repeating the same again, placing satin circle down and gluing other circle on top, like so. When I have reached the other side, I will join all these circles together, so I'm applying hot glue all across the circles and gluing other circle on top. And I have used 8 satin circles in total in one layer, and I'll repeat same with other fabric circles, and I'll continue gluing these circles all around. I will continue gluing on these fabric circles on top all around, and here they are. Most of the fabric circles are glued on, looks like that. I have 2 fabric circles left. One I will glue on there. Next I will fill this middle with this wadding. I'm gluing this wadding in the center there so it creates a flower shape. So I'm gluing that on there. And this fabric circle I will glue on top so it hides the wadding. I'm applying glue on the wrong side of this circle fabric piece and I'm gluing this circle fabric piece on top so the shiny side is facing up. It looks like that. Next I have sewed on a brooch pin already there. It looks like that. And I will glue on this felt circle fabric piece on top there. I'm applying hot glue at the back of this felt circle fabric piece there, all around, and a little bit at the back of the flower, and I'm gluing this felt fabric piece on top like that, pressing it quite hard so it sticks well all around, removing the flower pot. And this is the back of the flower brooch and this is the front of the flower brooch. Next I will attach all the petals in the center there so it hides that gap there. I'm applying glue and I'm gluing these petals to the center individually all around. And my flower brooch is finished, looks like that. If you have any questions how I made this flower brooch, please comment down below in the comment box. I will add all materials which I used in the description box. Now I'll try on my new oversized flower brooch. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.